How to remove all Instagram likes at once. To do so, first of all, make sure that you have updated version of Instagram application. Once you check that, launch your Instagram application and you need to log into your account. Once you log into your account, your home page of Instagram will be open. From there, tap on profile icon, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then on the top right, you will see three lines, tap on it. From here, go through your activity. There you will see like option, tap on that. Now on the top right you will see select option, simply tap on it and select the videos that you have liked on Instagram. And then at the bottom you will see unlike option, tap on it to unlike your Instagram likes. In this way you can easily remove all Instagram likes at once. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.